Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I'm here with some happy mail. So I'm just gonna quickly go through this. I have four shops here. So the first one is Sticker Guru. I picked up this journaling kit from her shop, or from their shop, and it's called Most of All. I love fall most of all, I really do. So here is the kit. You get the torn paper, some words here, layering pieces, and florals, washi scripts in the torn paper. And then you also get your full bottom washi, some more florals, your Monday through Sunday, and a this week script, more layering pieces. I also picked up the washi that goes with the kit, and it looks like that. It is in silver foil, but I don't mind it at all. I'll probably still do like a gold or rose gold on the kit because my fall foil colors are rose gold and gold. The next shop is Cuteness Boutique. So this is her business card. Thank you for supporting my small business. Cuteness Boutique. She just has her information there, and here is the freebie. And I did put Shanice's name in. I think it's Shanice 20. I used her code to get a discount, so I picked up Moan. I think that's how you say it, Moan and Mir. As you all know, I have two boys, and this is so cute. I really love this, and I wanted to go ahead and grab this because I didn't do my Mother's Day spread because I didn't have anything like motherly to put in there other than a fashion girl. Now I can put my babies in there, so I grabbed those. I also saw Jessie, and I was speaking with my boyfriend. I was like, do you like this one or do you like the other one? And she has, I don't think they have two skin tones, but this one was a lighter tone. So I was like, this will be my boyfriend. Basically do the spread for him for Christmas, and he's already in like winter clothes with the sweater and everything, so that worked out perfect. You all know I had to pick up Kai. She is so cute and cozy with her outfit on and her slides. She is so cute, and I already have a kit that I'm gonna pair her with from Sadie Stickers. And then we have Star. This one is the Christmas one, super cozy, makes me think of a winter pajama party or Christmas pajama party. So cute. And she gives you so many on one sheet. Like, this is amazing. You can use this so many times. 3, you get 7 on here, and different sizes. So I saw Selena, and I was like, yes girl, you are giving Florida fall because it's still very much warm down here, so you can definitely wear this, and the color is perfect. And then I also picked up Destiny because of course I'm unsure of how the weather is going to be, and she looked a little bit more cozy, so I feel like I can use this like maybe for a Thanksgiving week, if it's a little bit chillier. And I think there was a change in the paper, something, I don't know, it feels good. So that was Cuteness Boutique. Next is a small order from Sadie Stickers. I did the $2 Tuesday. So I needed to pick up some more Christmas things. So I picked up the vintage scene in black so I can use it in my journal. I also picked up the same scene in silver. And then we have the snow tree in medium, also in silver. So we have a color for winter, which is silver. And then I got the Christmas village washi, so cute. And then the Santa and reindeer. I also picked up the Christmas village in large, so you get 5 of those to put in your spreads. And then last but not least, I got the North Pole signs in a large as well, and they just say different things. So that was my Sadie's order. And then the last thing is another small order. This is from Wise. I don't know how to say her name. I'll show you her name. This is her journaling card. She's on Etsy, in case you want to check her out. I picked up the yearly view for my A6 techo. So I did the neutral colors because last year I think I did a gray tone, so I did this color. And then I also picked up some deco from her, and I think it's Higgy. I don't know how to say it, but that. And I thought this would be really cute with a fashion doll that I saw she had on gray, and she was drinking coffee on a cozy couch, and it is a printable, so I'm gonna grab that. And she threw in some freebies for me, so here is one. And then some cards that you can put in your planner, Magical and Witchy 2023. This is the November freebie with some lights, apple journaling. This will be cute to mark going to see the Christmas lights, so that's really cute. Another little card that just says you are magical. Oh, this is a sticker. That's a sticker. That's cute. And then another freebie, being normal is overrated, witchy vibes only. And then she just says thank you very much for your new order, and with my name on it. It is the November kit, also from Sticker Guru, and it came right on time. I ordered my November kit late, and she is really fast, or they are really fast, so I'm so happy that I have this kit. This is what it looks like. I did the decorative sidebar, and it's a 3-page monthly, and then you get your date dots and some layering here, or some boxes here. I picked up 2 of the monthly deco just to make sure I had enough, and then of course you get your scripts and icons. So that is it for this little haul. When I get more, I will definitely film it as it comes in. Bye. So I am back with my order from Sadie Stickers. I picked up a kit and some deco, and I also have a $2 Tuesday in here as well. So I'll go through the kit first. And I don't know if I'm gonna use this kit. I feel like I want to use it for the last week of November because of the blues And I feel like that would be a good transition into winter. Okay, so anyways, it's called Good Things. And then it says, good things come from comfort zones. Here are all the full boxes. And this is not her updated kit. All of your boxes, your headers and layering pieces, the bottom washi, so pretty. I really love this. I also picked up the journaling page. So here is the journaling page. It has all of the goodies, pies and stuff, some torn washi, more layering pieces, and a cute little outfit there, same outfit that's in the full box, so that's cute. And then I just picked up one of the floral sheets, so that is Good Things. Okay, so here is the rest of my order. Let me go through. So I picked up these in hopes to either use them as a weekly or a monthly, because I have been able to use the journaling kits in my weekly and have even have leftovers. So I'm thinking of keeping it that way. So this is the January 2023 journaling kit. I also picked up the January deco for my monthly. Hopefully I have enough for the monthly. I should. I also picked up the floral deco and the trims. And then I also picked up December 2022. The florals, the box page, and then here is the journaling page. Love that torn washi in the wood grain there. And then here is the monthly deco. It'll be a little bit bigger. So love this. I also picked up the November 2022. However, I already used a November in my monthly, so I might just use this in a weekly. And then I also got the torn washi, or let me just say journaling page. I got the journaling page. Love this little stamp there. And then, you know, you get the bigger size for your monthly, so I can either use this in my weekly spread now that I already have a November monthly done. So yeah, I'll probably do that. Last thing from Sadie Stickers is the $2 Tuesday. I wanted to go ahead and grab a few more things in silver. So I picked up the holiday cupcakes because I do have 3 birthdays in December. And then I got the holiday windows in medium, the present stack in small, the fireplace in medium to mark a cozy day or to put in my sidebar. You get with or without the fire. I got holiday stamps in medium, so cute. That'll be a good way to mark when the boys do their letters to Santa. And then I got the stockings in small. And I can put these in my date cover area. And then I use Shanice's Shanice's code for 20% off, and this is her freebie. I love that you get the Monday through Sunday, some deco, just enough goodies to put in your planner. So that is my order from Sadie Sticker.